Are you ready to dive into the world of real estate investing? Fixing and flipping properties can be one of the most rewarding ways to make a profit. But how do you finance it all? Well, today we're breaking it down step by step to show you how to finance your fix and flip project successfully. First things first, what is a fix and flip loan? Simply put, it's a short-term loan designed for real estate investors to buy, renovate, and sell properties for profit. These loans cover the cost of acquisition, renovation, and sometimes even the carrying costs while you're holding the property. And if you're looking to flip properties for profit, a fix and flip loan might be exactly what you need. Here's a quick breakdown of the steps involved in a fix and flip project. Step 1. Acquisition. To begin your fix and flip journey, you'll need to purchase a property that's undervalued and in need of renovation. You'll use the fix and flip loan to cover this cost, which can often be more than what traditional loans will provide. This is because fix and flip loans focus on the property's potential value after the renovation, not your credit score. Step 2. Financing your renovation. Once you've secured the property, it's time to renovate. The loan will also cover the renovation costs, including repairs, upgrades, and any other improvements needed to increase the home's market value. This is where the magic happens. But be careful, stick to your budget and timeline. The goal is to get the property ready for sale and turn a profit. Step 3. Selling the property. After the renovations are complete, it's time to sell the property. Ideally, the changes you've made will increase the property's value, allowing you to sell it at a higher price. The difference between your buying price, renovation costs, and sale price is your profit. Now, let's talk about how to finance these steps with a fix and flip loan. These loans are typically offered by hard money lenders and private investors, rather than traditional banks. Why? Because they're focused on the property's after repair value, ARV, instead of your credit score or income. There are two main types of fix and flip loans. The acquisition-only loan. This covers just the cost of purchasing the property. Afterward, you'll need to secure separate financing for the renovations. The all-in-one loan. This covers both the property purchase and the renovation costs in one loan. This is ideal for investors who want to streamline the financing process and avoid the hassle of applying for multiple loans. How do lenders determine how much they'll lend you? They'll use something called the after repair value, ARV. This is the estimated value of the property after all renovations are complete. Typically, lenders will cover up to 70 to 80% of the ARV, which means you'll need to bring the remaining 20 to 30% to the table as your down payment or own equity. Here are some key tips to make sure you're set up for success with your fix and flip loan. Do your research. Know the neighborhood and property values before buying. This will help you estimate the ARV accurately. Work with a reliable lender. Choose a lender who understands the fix and flip process and can provide you with the necessary funding quickly. Stick to your budget and timeline. Unexpected costs can arise, but managing your renovation budget and sticking to your timeline is critical to keeping your project profitable. Prepare for the costs of borrowing. Keep in mind that hard money lenders charge higher interest rates than traditional lenders. Make sure you factor this into your overall budget to ensure profitability. Fix and flip loans can be a game changer for real estate investors, but they're not without their risks. Be sure to research the property thoroughly, plan your budget, and partner with experienced lenders to make your project a success. Ready to start your fix and flip journey? Call 888-396-7284 or visit shoprates.com to learn more about how you can finance your next project. Don't wait. Get the financing you need and start turning those fixer-uppers into profitable flips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more real estate tips and financing advice. See you in the next video.